visible clearly. Okay, so let me remind you once again, this is a program in association with All India Management Students Community, जहां पर आप ही सीखते हैं और आप ही सिखाते हैं. So moving on to the main class of today's session. Okay, but before we start the class, let me check and let me remind you some previous things. Yesterday, yani ek din pehle, yesterday we were having a class for basic grammar. The very first idea, study material and everything will be sent to you by tonight with combined PDF of 2 days. First, second, along with your personal classes, जो personal classes आप लोग लेंगे हमारे साथ, you will be having a YouTube backup. You can see, observe and practice your English on our YouTube channel, Career Dreams Educations. You can go through the channel. The link will be sent to you on WhatsApp. And if you like, subscribe that, like that, and we will await your comment also. So YouTube will be the second option for your English education. And third, yesterday I have given an oral assignment, a written assignment to get some lines on India. India पे कुछ lines लिख के लाइए. So once we get the today's class completed, then we will have one by one introduction about India.
Okay,
So
sir.
without any delay, let's begin today's class and let me showcase you. Showcase means batana, dikhana. The yesterday's chapters. The first idea, subject plus verb plus object. It was clear to all of you. Subject, काम करने वाला. Verb, that means काम. Object, क्या, किसको. Ram eats food. Ram is the subject. क्या कर रहा है? Eat. He is eating. खाना. क्या खा रहा है? Food is the object. English is based on these three words. Subject plus verb plus object. Now let's move further to the next level. Okay. Yesterday again we studied demonstrative, इशारा करना. Demonstrative, इशारा करके बताना. यह क्या है? वह क्या है? This and that, यह वह. बहुत सारे हों. These and those. So this is a very basic concept of English जो class first और second में पढ़ाया जाता है. But we are starting from the basic level, so no worries. If it is clear to you, good. Not clear, then try to understand the Hindi translation. यह, this, वह, that, ये, these, and वे, those. Now look at some sentences. Let me change the slide. Okay. You see the formula? This and that. These two words are singular. This एक के लिए आता है, that एक के लिए आता है. Is present tense आज के लिए, was past tense and will be future. But वो एक होना चाहिए. This is my pen. ये मेरा पेन है. That was my pen. वह मेरा पेन था. And this will be my car. ये मेरी कार होगी. Is यानी है, was यानी था, will be यानी होगी. But एक. बहुत सारी हैं. These and those. These are cars. ये कार है. ये इशारा करके बताना होगा. ये कार है. Those were bungalows. वो सब bungalows हैं. And those will be car. वो कार होगी. And will be means in future. It is not guarantee. We are not sure. But लगता है. For example, यह मंदिर होगा. This will be a temple. See more examples? Okay. Now in this topic, before we start the next topic, please make sure demonstrative means 4 words only. This, that, these, those. जो इशारा करते हैं. And now, today's session will be based on models. Now let's see. A very simple topic. Very simple and easy. What is model? वो शब्द, the words that show action plus condition. Action means work which you are doing. What work you are doing? क्या काम कर रहे हैं आप? Plus condition. So models वो शब्द हैं जो एक्शन को दिखाते हैं. आपने क्या किया, क्या कर रहे हैं. प्लस कंडीशन को दिखाते हैं. Let's go for some words. Okay. I suppose the screen is clear to all of you. Divya, just unmute yourself
Yes, sir.
and read the words.
Okay, sir. So model equals to action plus conditions.
Okay.
Mm,
Please, please read the words.
yes, sir.
It is CA and can.
Sir, actually, sir,
Is
not
the
see this PDF.
okay? It's not visible there.
Yes, sir.
Okay, let me.
Yes, sir. Okay,
Is it
sir.
clear now?
Yes, sir. It's clear now.
Okay, now you may
Sir,
proceed.
yes, sir. Sir, can, could,
Hmm.
will, would, may, might, shall, should, need to,
And ought to.
or to.
Okay,
Okay,
Divya,
sir.
thank you so much. Ought to.
Welcome, sir.
Now listen, these are the 10 words of English. These are called models. इन शब्दों को models कहते हैं. And models action और condition को दिखाते हैं. Today onwards, from today onwards, we are starting the topic model. This topic will be completed in 5 days. अगले 5 दिनों तक आपको models revise कराया जाएगा. One by one, we will study the words can and could, will, would, may, might, shall, should, need to, ought to. Every word is unique. हर एक शब्द अलग है. हर एक शब्द का मतलब अलग है. So one by one, we will go through the words. For today's session, see the formula how to make sentence. Subject plus modal plus verb plus object. Subject काम करने वाला, modal जो शब्द है वो, verb क्या करता है, object उस चीज
Excuse me,
का नाम.
sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, Manisha is asking something that we
Okay.
can add must also in the list of models.
Same, definitely. Okay, and thank you so much, Manisha ji. Definitely, we can add the word must, a part of model. One more word is there, dare, D-A-R-E. These two words are also models, must and dare. Sure, we shall add the words. Thank you so much, Manisha ji. Now, how to make a sentence? Subject, सबसे पहले काम करने वाला, then model, then verb, then object. Now, let's go for some exercise. Okay. In today's session, we shall start the very first word, can. Only one word we will take today, and tomorrow we will increase the words. Today, it's only can. Can yani ability is equal to योग्यता. कर सकता है, कर सकती हूं, कर सकते हैं. In Hindi, कर सकता हूं, सकता, सकती, सकते. These words given by can. Okay. Now, Krishna, read the first sentence.
यस सर
Okay.
मैं पढ़ सकता हूँ आई कैन रीड
Okay. Read in English. Okay. Second.
हम जा सकते हैं वी कैन गो
Okay. Okay. Third sentence.
वे खेल सकते हैं दे कैन
Okay.
प्ले
Okay.
मीरा
And
नाच
last sentence.
सकती है मीरा कैन
Okay.
डांस
Okay. It means किसी चीज को कर सकते हो या नहीं कर सकते. We use can. Okay. Now let me change my slide.
Excuse me, sir.
Yeah, please.
Sir, please previous your chart.
Okay. You want to see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
I want to this screen. Sir, then I write these topics.
In your copy. Okay. Just wait for
Yes.
1 minute.
Okay, sir.
Now I will ask one by one. आप सभी को मैं एक sentence दूंगा हिंदी में. You have to make in
Okay,
English. One by
okay,
one.
sir.
Use can. Sure. कृष्णा, first आपकी बारी. मम्मी खाना बना सकती है. मम्मी खाना बना सकती है. Try.
मम्मी कुक द फूड
Mummy can cook the food. Repeat again.
मम्मी कैन कुक द फूड
Okay. Just unmute yourself. Okay. Now, Divya, your sentence. पापा पढ़ा सकते हैं.
पापा पढ़ा सकते हैं. Okay, sir.
जी,
that can
can,
that can read the study.
ओके, पढ़ाने को बोलते हैं teach.
Teach. Okay,
That
sir.
can teach.
Teach.
Okay,
Okay, sir.
no
Sorry,
issues.
sir.
Okay, no, don't be sorry. We are learning the very basic idea. No worries. That can
Okay, sir.
teach.
Teach.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Naresh, just unmute yourself. Your sentence. Ram, try. Navika ji, just unmute yourself.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Your sentence is बच्चे क्रिकेट खेल सकते हैं.
Children can play cricket.
Okay, fine. Children can play cricket. It means, in English, if you want to make a sentence with sakta, sakti, sakte, we use can. Okay. Now, once again, let us restart the topic. Let me show my screen to you. ये टॉपिक फिर से शुरू किया जाए. Okay. Now you see the screen. Now this time we are starting with negative sentence. Divya, just read the first negative sentence,
Yes, sir.
please.
Yes, sir. I cannot read.
इसका मतलब क्या होगा?
मैं नहीं पढ़ सकता.
मैं नहीं पढ़ सकती. अगर आप पढ़ सकते, I can read. नहीं पढ़ सकती, I cannot read. Read the
Okay,
second
sir.
sentence.
We cannot go. वह नहीं
मतलब
जा सकते.
हम नहीं जा सकते. We
Sorry,
means
sir.
हम
हम
नहीं जा
नहीं
सकते.
हम
Okay,
नहीं जा सकते.
okay,
Okay, sir.
right. Navika ji, just unmute yourself. Read the third sentence.
They cannot play.
That means
वे खेल नहीं सकते.
खेल नहीं सकते. And last sentence.
Meera cannot
Dance.
dance.
मीरा
dance
डांस नहीं कर सकते. That means अगर आप नहीं कर सकते, use the word cannot. जैसे मैं अंदर आ सकता हूं, I can come inside. मैं अंदर नहीं आ सकता, I cannot come inside. Now next topic. Okay. Krishna, just read the heading.
Interrogative.
Interrogative means question. Read the first question.
Can I read?
इसका मतलब
मैं पढ़ूं?
what is the meaning of this question? Krishna, my voice is clear to you? Okay. Any other person? Manisha? Okay, Krishna, you are trying?
Can I read?
Okay. इसका मतलब क्या होगा? What's the meaning?
मैं पढ़ सकता हूँ.
क्या मैं पढ़ सकता हूँ? क्या मैं पढ़ सकता हूँ? Okay. Okay, Manisha, just your turn. Unmute and read the second sentence.
Can we go?
Okay. Now you see, the grammar part is over now. Today we discuss the use of can, and tomorrow we will continue with other models. Now you see on the screen, the heading is vocabulary, word power, forms of verb. Verb यानी काम. तीन तरह की verb होती है, V1, V2 and V3. Okay. Now Mansi, are you there available?
Sir, I can't see.
Okay, just a minute.
Yeah.
Okay, now the screen is clear.
Yes, sir.
Now the screen is clear to everyone.
Yes, sir.
If ऐसा कोई है जिसे screen नहीं दिख रही, let me know.
No, sir.
Okay then. Mansi, are you there? Please
Yes,
unmute
sir.
yourself. Okay, Mansi. Now Mansi, you see, यहाँ पर हिंदी के words दिए गए हैं. V1, V2, V3. You have to read the Hindi word and verb 1, verb 2 and verb 3 आपको पढ़नी है. Start now.
Okay. Anna, verb 1, come. Verb 2, came. Verb 3,
Okay.
come.
Okay. Now I request all of you to read this word clearly in your mind one by one. Mansi, the next one.
Jana, go. went, gone.
Okay, next.
Pढ़ना, read, read, read.
Okay, stop, Mansi. Now everybody please listen. पढ़ना मतलब read. First form read.
So,
Second
how
form
we say read, read,
read.
no,
Right.
read.
Second form
Yeah.
is read, not read. Spelling same है,
हाँ,
word
sorry,
अलग
वो
है.
गलती से-
No issues. It is read. Third, next, fourth.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Fourth, लिखना, write,
Okay.
wrote, written.
Okay. Write, wrote, written. Then next.
खेलना, play, played,
Okay.
played.
Okay, Mansi. Thank you so much. Manisha ji, over to you. Now you may continue the next reading.
Okay. कूदना,
Okay. कूदना.
jump.
Okay.
रखना, keep, kept.
Okay.
लाना, bring, brought.
Okay.
The screen
Next.
is visible.
Then the next word.
The screen is not visible.
Let me change. Okay. Is it visible now?
No.
Not still not.
No.
Okay.
You can just zoom
Yes,
it yourself.
Okay.
So please zoom it so they can easily identify that.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Manisha, is it clear now?
Yes.
Okay.
लेना,
Now
take,
you may go.
taken.
Okay.
देना, give, gave, given.
Okay.
Again,
पढ़ाना.
visible.
Not visible. Okay. Just a minute. Okay. I suppose Manisha, there is a technical error in your area. That's why screen visible नहीं हो पाती है कई बार. Okay. Now you can see.
No.
No such. Okay. Let me switch once again.
Sorry, it is visible, but we can't see third line. So,
Okay. Just a minute. Okay. Now let me see. Is it not visible? किसको visible नहीं है? Let
now
me know.
it's fine.
Okay. Now continue.
No, it's not visible.
Okay. Manisha, आपको visible नहीं हो पा रही. Mansi, can you see the screen?
Yes, sir.
Then continue from the next word. पढ़ाना.
हाँ. Teach, taught.
Taught. यानी पढ़ाना is different है. पढ़ना is different. पढ़ना is read. And पढ़ाना teach. Next word.
पकड़ना, cook, cooked.
It's not. No.
Cooked.
It's pakana. Cook.
Oh, sorry.
Cooked.
Okay.
Okay. Next.
Banana.
Okay.
Make, made.
Next word.
Constructed.
Construct.
Construct. Constructed.
And. Okay. Next.
Created.
Next.
Build. Built.
And built. Okay. And last.
Drew, drawn.
And drawn. That means अगर आप कोई चीज बना रहे हो, if you are making a thing, it is making. घर बना रहे हो, construct. Now second page, same continue. Okay, Mansi, continue the same.
गाना, sing, sang, sung.
Okay.
खाना, eat, ate, eaten.
Okay, next.
पीना, drink, drunk.
Drink,
काटना,
drank and drunk.
drank.
Okay.
काटना, cut.
Okay.
खरीदना, buy, brought.
It's bought. Bought and bought. Okay, last word.
बेचना, sell, sold.
Sale, sold and sold. Okay. Now once again, we have studied 3 verbs are there. V1, V2, V3. कल की class में, tomorrow's class, again we will go for 20 more words. 20 more verbs, V1, V2, V3. You have to learn around 50-60 verbs so that you can make the sentence clearly. हिंदी से इंग्लिश में करने के लिए वर्ड्स पता होने चाहिए. Verbs जो होती हैं VERB, verb 3, V1, V2, V3. Tomorrow we will study model also. and tomorrow onwards we are starting tense, present, past and future. So before you start tense, V1, V2, V3 आपको याद होनी चाहिए. Once again, tomorrow we will start tense. These three verbs should be clear to you. Now again, the grammar portion ends here. हमने can के बारे में पढ़ लिया. We studied V1, V2, V3. This is the grammar portion ताकि हम कल tense की शुरुआत करें. The tense, the basic of English grammar. Now, you see on the screen, there are two columns. The words of day. Profession यानी काम, काम धंधा. बहुत से words आपको पता हैं. Tailor, कपड़े बनाने वाला, the one who makes the cloth. Then teacher, who teaches you. Farmer, farming करता है. Then carpenter, makes wooden object. There are many more words you know. These are few examples which should be clear to you. Okay. Now start with the first word. I will say the word in English and you have to identify ये कौन है. Any one of you unmute and tell the answer. First is farmer and peasant. Who is this? In Hindi, who is this? Anyone?
Kisan.
Kisan. Okay,
Sir,
done.
Kisan.
Bilkul Kisan. Jay is perfect. Second word is confectioner. Who is confectioner? Second word, confectioner. कौन होता है ये? Anyone?
No idea, sir.
No idea. Confectioner, मिठाई वाला. Confectioner is मिठाई वाला. Clear to all of you? Third, butcher. ये word हम discuss किया था. Anyone? What is the meaning of butcher? Who is butcher?
Sir, I think confectioner of sweets, chocolates.
Yeah.
ये सब देते हैं.
Right. In English,
हाँ,
in English,
chocolate pencil.
right. Confectioner यानी मिठाई बनाने वाला, और you can say chocolate बनाने वाला. It is same. हिंदी में मिठाई बनाने वाला, हलवा बनाने वाला, और इंग्लिश में चॉकलेट बनाने वाला. All are confectioner. In English, a person who makes sweets, चाहे वो गुलाब जामुन बनाए या डेयरी मिल्क बनाए, स्वीट डिश बनाने वाला confectioner है. Is this clear? Okay. Is it
Yes,
clear?
sir.
Let me know. Okay, okay.
हाँ भैया ओके.
Okay, done. Next is butcher. कसाई जो मीट बेचता है. मीट बेचने वाला butcher. Next, grocer. Any idea? And be quick. Who is grocer? Grocer.
So maybe किराने
सब्जी वाला.
Right. No sabji wala. Sabji wala is next. Green grocer. Right answer is kirane wala. Grocer. Kirane wala. And next is green grocer. Sabji wala. Okay. Next. Chemist.
Medical store.
Right. Medical
Medical
store.
वाला.
Okay, done. Okay. Optician.
चश्मे वाला.
चश्मे बेचने वाला.
हाँ,
Now make
बेचने
sure ऑप्टिशियन चश्मे बेचता है, आंखों का इलाज नहीं करता. ही इज नॉट अ डॉक्टर. चश्मे बेचने वाला. ओके. शेफ. क्विक. हु इज शेफ?
खाना बनाने वाला.
खाना बनाने वाला. ओके. हु इज बार्बर? बार्बर. बाल काटने वाला. ओके ओके. इट्स ऑल क्लियर. फ्लोरिस्ट. फ्लोरिस्ट.
वो पत्थर बनाने वाला.
राइट.
पत्थर बनाने
फ्लावर
वाला.
बेचने वाला. राइट. अ पर्सन हु सेल्स द फ्लावर. Author and writer, it's clear. लिखने वाला. Okay. Priest. Who is the priest? Hello. Who is the priest?
Sir, maybe in church.
साधु.
Sadhu.
सर
साधु
चर्च.
नहीं.
हाँ ये
पुजारी. Right.
बाबा.
In English, हिंदू पुजारी को भी priest कहते हैं. क्रिश्चियन पुजारी को भी priest कहते हैं. तो priest is a common word. चाहे वो हिंदू हो, okay, वो हिंदू हो या क्रिश्चियन, the word is same, priest. Even मुस्लिम साधुओं को भी priest कहते हैं. Priest is the person who prays, जो पूजा करता है. Okay. Again the word is repeated. Butcher. We are done with the word. Gardener. Who is the gardener?
सर जो
सर माली.
माली.
Mali, right. The word is clear. Mali. Who is a composer?
Who compose
गाने
songs?
Who
Snow
write the
Comp-
word? Right, Rakshita. Who writes the word? जो शब्द लिखता है गाने के, वो composer है. And oh, sorry, I made a mistake. It's my mistake. Composer tunes बनाता है. He make the music. Next word is lyricist. Lyricist,
जो गाने लिखता है.
right. He writes the song. Lyricist, and try to give your answers in English. I just want try to be more in English than Hindi. Lyricist who writes the song. Dietitian who plans the food. जो diet का plan करता है. Okay, who is the cobbler? Quick.
Muchi.
Shoes.
Muchi, who repair your shoes. Okay. Who is the plumber?
Pipe wala.
Pipe wala, not pipe wala. He is a person who repair the taps. Don't say pipe wala. He is a person who repair taps. Okay. Third, baker.
केक बनाने वाला.
Okay, who makes the cake?
बेकरी.
Okay, shh, be polite, be polite. Hawker. Who is the hawker? Any idea?
No, sir.
Lari wala.
Hawker means lari wala, right? A person who sells the goods on a
Sir,
cart.
1 minute.
See, yeah, please.
सर जो अभी जो रिप्लाई दिया सर इसका मीन्स
The small. Okay, his name is Jay. He says like lari wala.
यस सर लारीवाल मीन्स
Huh?
सर मीन्स
Yeah,
I don't know this word.
Okay. Okay. Let me repeat. The word is hawker. Hawker. Hawker means the person who sells goods on the road. जो रोड पे सामान बेचता है, लारी वाला. लारी
Okay.
वाला.
Okay,
Okay.
sir.
Is it clear? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
The hawker
I'm clear.
means lari wala. Now
Okay,
these
sir.
are the words which are used in daily life, but sometimes the meaning is not clear. And last
Yes,
is poet. Poet means kavi. Kavi.
Kavi.
So let's now just unmute ourselves. All should be
Sir.
mute. Yeah, please.
No, sir.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay, just mute all side and I will revise the names once again. Farmer, peasant, kisan, confectioner, mithai wala. India में होगा तो मिठाई. In foreign it is sweets and chocolate. A person who makes chocolate, confectioner. Butcher, one who sells meat. Grocer, ration person, जो ration बेचता है. In English also it is ration, R-A-T-I-O-N. A person who sells ration. Greengrocer, a person who sells vegetable. Chemist, a person who sells medicines. Optician, a person who sells glasses. Chef, who makes food. Barber, who cuts hair. Florist, who sells flower. Author, who writes books. Priest, who worship, who prays in the temple, in the church. The person who prays in the temple. Butcher, who sells meat. Gardener, who looks after the garden. Looks after, dhyan rakhna. Composer, who makes the music. Lyricist, who writes song. Dietitian, who plans your diet. Who plans your diet. Cobbler, who repairs your shoes. Plumber, who repairs your taps. Taps yani nal. Baker, who makes cakes and pastry. Hawker, who sells on the road. जो road पे बेचता है, who sells on the road. And poet, who writes poem. So again, these are some basic profession. Carpenter, tailor, mechanic, engineer, you are aware. आप इनकी meaning जानते हैं. Hawker is a new word, lari wala. Grocer, ration wala. Confectioner, mithai wala. Some new words are there. Now this topic is all done here. Now, moving on to a next session. Grammar ho gayi, grammar is done. The words done, vocabulary done. Now let's move for a handwritten image, words of wisdom. ज्ञान की बातें, English proverb, English कहावत. You can say English proverb. Manisha ji, are you there? And you can see the screen. Please unmute yourself and read the screen.
Okay.
दूध
Okay.
का जला छाछ को भी फूंक फूंक के पीता है.
Okay.
Burnt children dread the fire.
Okay. Burnt children, dread यानी डरना, fire
Yes.
यानी आग. It means once a person do a mistake, a person does a mistake. एक बार गलती हो गई, next time he will be afraid, he will be frightened, he will be scared. Listen the words: afraid, frightened, scared. वो डरेगा. So एक बार गलती हो गई, next time वो डरेगा. दूध का जला, एक बार वो जल गया तो वो छाछ को भी फूक फूक के पिएगा. Burnt children dread the fire. एक गलती हो गई, उसको डर बैठ गया, अगली बार भी गलती होगी. So that's the moral of the story. Burnt children dread the fire. Once you make a mistake, next time you will be afraid, frightened, scared, as if the mistake is repeated. गलती रिपीट ना हो जाए, इसलिए आप डरते हैं. तो एक बार का डरा हुआ अगली बार भी डरता है. This idea should be clear to all of you, चाहे वो छोटे बच्चे हों 8th क्लास के, कॉलेज स्टूडेंट्स हों, MBA स्टूडेंट्स हों या प्रोफेशनल्स हों. Make sure proverb is something, a कहावत. Proverb is कहावत, which is different in Hindi, but the meaning is same. Burnt children dread the fire. So आज की कहावत ये थी: Burnt children dread the fire. Yesterday we learnt do good, have good. Do good, have good. कर भला, हो भला. Tit for tat. जैसे को तैसा. Tit for tat. Do good and have good. And third one, burnt children dread the fire. This is all done here. Now this
Excuse me,
level
sir.
is over now. Yeah, please.
सर ड्रेड का मतलब ही फ्राइटन ही होगा.
Definitely. Dread means डरना. Dread.
ओके ओके सर.
Now you see, in English, there is a pattern. In English, all the negative words start with D. English में बर्बादी वाले सारे शब्द, डरने वाले वर्ड्स D से चालू होते हैं. Damage, destruction, destroy,
डेंजर.
doom, danger, and doom. Doom means दुनिया खत्म. The end of the world is called doom. So D is the word which is quite negative. Dread means डरना. Okay. This is done. Now next. Okay. Now to the last part of today's session. Let's speak. Greetings. You go to a person. You meet a person. So how will you start the greetings? आप किस तरह से शुरुआत करेंगे बातों की? Okay. Krishna, just read the first greetings. Krishna, you are there online. Just read the first greeting.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Good morning, sir. Pleasure to
Mhm.
have you.
Okay. Now stop a second. Now listen. These are the words जो directly आपको बोलने हैं. You have to speak these words directly. There is no such grammar. There is no such problem. Just read the word here. I will read it once again. Listen. Good morning, sir. Good morning, sir. Words clear. Take a break. Take a break. Pleasure to have you. मुझे मिलके खुशी हुई आपसे. Pleasure to have you. Okay. Divya, read the second one.
Yes, sir. Good
Continue.
morning, Mr. Shekhar. Great to see you.
Okay. Now,
No,
just
sir.
change the
Sorry.
tone.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Continue.
Morning, Mr. Shekhar.
Okay.
Then break. Great to see
Great
you.
Okay.
See you.
Now, just okay. What you read is correct. जो आपने पढ़ा वो सही था. But the tone should be different. Now listen my voice. Morning, Mr.
Okay.
Shekhar. Morning, Mr. Shekhar. एक साथ बोलो. Take a break. Great to see you. Morning, Mr. Shekhar.
Okay.
Great to see you. Try this.
Okay, sir. Morning, Mr. Shekhar. Great to see you.
Right. Now, all of you जो आज present हैं इस class में, all the students and professionals who are present here, please make sure speaking part means English plus confidence. You must know English. Good. Plus confidence should be there. डरते डरते ना बोले आप लोग. So whenever in the speaking part, I ask you to read something, read with confidence. Okay, Jay, just read the third sentence.
Yes, sir. Hello,
Okay, read the
Mr.
third sentence.
Shekhar.
No,
Hello,
third
Mr.
sentence.
Shekhar.
Third sentence.
The third तो यही
Yeah.
है.
शर्मा है.
Okay,
Hello,
try to
Mr.
speak in English.
Sharma.
Mrs. Sharma.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Hello, Mrs. Sharma. Good evenings. Pleased to see you.
Okay, thank you, Jay. Now you see, Jay is a student of class 8th. He is quite a school kid. So you see, when a small kid speaks, it is different. Or when a mature person speaks, it's different. एक छोटा बच्चा बोलेगा, the feeling is different. बड़ा बच्चा बोलेगा, it will be different. Now, Manisha ji, just unmute and read the same sentence.
Hello, Mrs. Sharma. Good evening. Pleased to see you.
That's the real difference. Hello, Mrs. Sharma. Good evening. And good evenings, not one. Good evenings. Pleased to see you. आपसे मिलके खुशी हुई. Okay, Jay, perfect. And Manisha ji, perfect. Now, let me read the fourth sentence. Now, ये मैं कहता हूँ जब मैं आपको बुलाता हूँ. Welcoming all. We are delighted to have you all. Welcoming all. We are delighted. When you go to a party and lot of people come together, तब सबको तो आप hello नहीं बोलोगे. All together, we are delighted to have you. Fifth, it's been the long. Sorry, it's not the. It's been long. The नहीं आएगा. It's a mistake. It's been long. See you since. How's going? बहुत दिनों बाद हम मिले. बहुत दिनों बाद मिले. So it's been long. See you since. How's going? Keep it simple. आपको डरना नहीं है. तो fluent English. It's been long to see you. अगर उसमें to नहीं भी है, फिर भी आपने बोल दिया. It's okay. Do not worry. When you speak English, mistakes are automatically cleared. बोलते वक्त गलतियां माफ हो जाती हैं. Last sentence.
Sir,
It's a long time no
can I?
see. Yeah, please. Continue.
Long time no see. Great to see you again.
Perfect. बहुत दिनों बाद आप मिले. Long time no see. बहुत दिनों से हम नहीं मिले. Great to see you again. आपसे मिलके खुशी हुई. And whenever you, yeah, please. Okay. And whenever you are greeting somebody, आप किसी को मिलते हैं, maintain a smile on your face. सिर्फ इंग्लिश बोलनी नहीं है, आपके चेहरे पे खुशी दिखनी चाहिए. So good morning, sir. Pleasure to have you. Morning, Mr. Shekhar. It's great to have you here. Use some words जो sentence में ना भी हो, but आप उन्हें बोल सकते हैं. Hello, Mrs. Sharma. Good evening. Now it's a pleased to see you. So speaking means speak with confidence. English आती है, but confidence होना जरूरी है. The words are clear. Now this is the end part of today's session. We see the grammar portion, models, and V1, V2, V3. We studied the profession, farmer, butcher, confectioner. We studied the speaking part. We studied the words of wisdom. Now let's conclude the class. And for tomorrow, there will be a basic assignment, oral revision of today's topic. आज जो topic हमने cover करे, उसका कल हम एक oral revision लेंगे in tomorrow's part. Sure? So see you tomorrow at the 4 p.m.
Yes, sir.
And one more thing, your homework, your today's homework is just one thing. You have to note down the names of vegetables and professionals in your copy and write the English and Hindi name together.
Okay.